Let's make moi moi together, or beans pudding. Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. For the making of my moi moi, I'll be using beans. I've peeled and washed my beans. For my pepper base, I have local bell pepper, chili pepper and Scotch bonnet pepper. Alongside, I have some onions, the white and the red onions, and also some ginger, also water for blending. Then the next thing, I'll add everything to the blender and blend it until well smooth. I finished blending. I'll combine the rest of the ingredients. I have the boned mackerel fish, I have liver, some eggs, some vegetable oil, crayfish powder, salt, some season and season paste. I'm just going to add all the rest of the ingredients into the moi moi paste and mix everything together. So I've set my pot on the fire, so I just want to show you. The first one I have steam basket, and the second one I have the moi moi stick, and I put water inside it. So the next thing is to start molding my moi moi. So I'm getting my leaf. I'm using 2 leaves for one moi moi. So make sure you've washed and cleaned your leaf. So at the back of the leaf, the stem at the back of the leaf, I'm going to break it. I'll break that and I'll remove it completely. I'm also going to repeat the same process for the second leaf that I'm placing inside. So once that is done, I'll place each of the moi moi leaf together inside. Then I'll roll it to form a cone. So I'll roll it very well, tight it and form a cone. Then once this shape is formed, then at the back I'll bend it at the back. Then look at what we have. Then I'll use my hand to open it. Then the next thing, I'll fill my moi moi paste inside. One thing, when you are filling your moi moi, don't overfill the leaf, because if you overfill the leaf, it will split out. Then I'll add some of the leftover fish inside. Then I'll fold it, I'll bend it together and fold it, and I'll place it inside my pot on the fire. I'm just going to repeat the same process with the rest of the moi moi or beans pudding. So guys, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please, once you subscribe, please don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you will be notified when next I drop a new video. And also don't forget to like and share my video and leave me some comments in the comment section. So once my moi moi is all set and ready, I cover it with some leaf and allow this to steam for about 30 minutes. After about 30 minutes, I check to see if the moi moi is ready. And guys, our moi moi is fully ready. As you can see, our moi moi looks so fluffy and yummy. Will you be trying this recipe, guys? Till I come your way in my next video, keep believing in yourself. Bye bye guys, and thank you for watching.